Power Station.
The Obie and Little Sean Morning Show. What it is with Esty. What it is.
Power 95.3.
Yo, so what's up? Esty does this thing where she, gossips. And that's what we're about to do right now.
Fabulous
What
introduction. Okay, last night, the BET Hip Hop Awards. Did you stay up for them? I just want to say, guys, I couldn't stay awake. I'm sorry. I fell asleep midway. I love the BET Awards.
Whoa, was that last
I love
night?
all these other shows, but the BET Hip Hop Awards, I was dying out. Like, I didn't see Lil Wayne. I didn't see Drake. Of course, we know Kanye West was a no-show, although he had 17 nominations. He did not show up. But still, nonetheless, an interesting show. Towards the beginning, I saw Mike Epps hosting it. He poked some fun at the elections. Hot topic right now. We got to see different rap crews showing off their skills with ciphers. Ciphers are freestyles. So we got to see them. B.O.B.
Which the ciphers were badass.
T.I.
Yeah,
that was like the best part.
I just like the return of DMX without the crack. I mean, he looked great.
How do we know there was no crack?
Well, you're right.
Maybe there was. Okay. But 2 Chainz showed off his piano skills. I love that. All we know about 2 Chainz is that he 2 Chainz. So I was kind of happy to see him on the piano. And he also won Rookie of the Year. And I love his acceptance speech. It was so humbling.
How y'all doing tonight? First of all, I would like to thank God, my family, my friends, my fans, my label. You know, last year I tried to do a red carpet and they was kind of like tripping. They told me to go on the other side of the rope. And then this time when I couldn't really do red carpet, they was trying to get me to hold up. So just to let you know what can happen in a year, man, this is a blessing. I appreciate everybody, man.
Wow.
Congratulations to him, man.
It is true. It is true. You can go from 1 year handing out your mixtape, begging for an opportunity, to the next time you're there at the BET Hip Hop Awards.
I know. So a lot went on. And in case you
2
missed
Chainz.
it again, or maybe you DVR'd it, whatever, I am recapping it. It's up on power953.com under What It Is with Esty. You can get a list of winners and everything there. Now, What It Is with Jerry Sandusky, former assistant coach of Penn State. He worked under Joe Paterno. He did have those charges brought up against him with the sexual abuse against 10 children. And yesterday, Sandusky was sentenced to 30 to 60 years in prison.
That's life. He's done.
Okay, yeah. Now, he's 68 years old. He is eligible for parole in 30 years, which makes him 98.
Golly.
I don't see him leaving jail at all, at prison. It looks like he will be dying behind bars.
That's well, yeah.
I mean, 45 counts of
either
sexually
way,
abusing 10 boys.
Either way, he's gonna, because now in prison you're known as a chester, a child molester, and prisoners do not like that. Other prisoners in there are gonna take care of him.
I wonder if he'll be in solitary confinement then, right, to protect him? I don't know how that works, but...
Put his ass with everybody else. He want to go ahead and touch on little kids, let everybody else touch on his ass right now.
Ooh.
I mean, no, not on his actual. You know what I mean?
No. I know what you meant.
We
Like
get
him.
it. We get
yeah.
it. You got street there, and you didn't actually mean the physical bootay.
Yeah.
We get it.
Yeah.
You know what sucks the most about Jerry Sandusky is that he single-handedly took down the reputation of Penn State. Like, Penn State was known, just one of these schools that people thrive to go to, and now people don't want to touch it.
But I just think that Joe Paterno should have spoke up. I think
He should have
anyone
spoken
and
up.
everyone that knew something about that should have said something.
That's why the school's going down.
That's why
Yeah, it is.
That's why I love my new shirt. You know, my Florida State new shirt. It says Bobby would have said something.
Oh, gosh, that's bad.
'Cause you know it's
You
true.
should have worn that today.
Bobby would have called the cops.
He would have
That's what it says.
tomahawked him.
All right, guys. We'll catch up with everything you heard on What It Is. It's always online on power953.com. And that's
Sponsored
what
by
it is.
Kit Kat. Break time.